Hello and welcome to another update video on gold. Yeah, gold rallied here on Friday quite substantially back above our resistance area and signal line, which indicates that at least a broader wave 2 is unfolding. So gold basically remains caught in this sideways range that we've been in now for quite some time. Price could not break below the lower range boundary here, this previous swing low from the 27th of June. And therefore, yeah, we remain in a scenario in which either the price is working on a broader wave 2 in wave 3 to the downside. So we're tracking here wave 1, wave 2, and another 1-2 setup like this, which could then take us into this lower support region starting at $3,122. Or we're working on an upside breakout. But I told you yesterday what I need to see for that. So until we have to give the market a certain amount of room in that short-term bearish scenario in white. Yeah, we have to give it room. Okay, that's not, the short-term bearish count isn't even invalidated and not even less likely because we're only just entering resistance between $3,413 to $3,467. But yeah, we also have to give it some room in the orange scenario to prove itself. Because if it was that easy to say that, oh, a green candle confirms an upside breakout, no, it's not that. We need the right structure in place. So we do have, as you know, we do have a completed Elliott wave triangle. This can be classed as, hold on. It can be classed as an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. It's a completed Elliott wave triangle. The move up is quite aggressive, but it's only a 3-wave move up and we have not broken any significant resistance. So what we need to see are a few things to confirm that we are finally completing this triangle or have completed it, that we are in an upside breakout. We need to see these 5 waves completed. That's done. And then to the upside, I want to see a 5-wave move. Not done yet. It's only a 3-wave move. I'm going to zoom in a minute and tell you and show you. We need to break above resistance, 3,467 in 5 waves. And then ideally, and that is just a, you could say, textbook requirement for an upside breakout attempt or indication, we need to see a break above $3,508. So that would be an upside breakout signal attempt, and that would also invalidate the 1-2 setup to the downside. So that means next week it will be very, very, I'm going to remove the levels we don't need anymore. Next week, this resistance area will be very, very important, because how we react here now could likely shape then, the price structures for the next couple of weeks. Because as you see, this is an A, B, C structure, and the C wave is in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this turns into a 5-wave move, and we have a break above resistance, it's more likely the orange scenario. What I can give you for next week already is an initial micro support zone. Because if this is the orange scenario, best I can tell, the price should hold above the 50% FIB retracement at $3,373. So any break below would likely open the door to a breakdown in a 3rd wave. Till we break below that level, the market might try to grind a little higher in this white wave 2, or even in the 5th wave, the larger 5th wave to the upside. Basically, upside trend continuation possible as long as we're holding above 3,373. We have now reached resistance and it looks like a 3-wave move up as well. So it's a key spot. Next week could be quite important. So far, the price is keeping both of these scenarios alive. that's the update on gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in additional updates for gold, silver, the stock market, S&P 500, ES futures, Nasdaq chart, check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.